Welcome to my Kubernetes series. So today we will learn that how we can create a namespace in Kubernetes. So there are two ways you can create a namespace. First is via kubectl command and second is YAML file. Okay. So first command is just to list out the namespace. Second command is to create the namespace via kubectl. So kubectl create namespace test. Just verify it. Now we will create the namespace via YML. So we can also generate the YML via kubectl command. So kubectl create ns namespace name hyphen dry hyphen run is equal to client hyphen o y. Hyphen o means output. We will copy this one, paste it here. Kubectl apply hyphen f. So in these two ways we can create the namespace. So just let's verify again. You can see the test and Ravi namespaces has been created successfully. Thank you. Like my channel, subscribe it. Thank you.